Hey guys, so today we are going to pick out puppy. We're so excited. We have a helper. Mal, you gonna help us pick out a puppy?
Yeah.
Yeah, you excited? Yeah, so there's 12 puppies and we have to pick one. So it's gonna be difficult. We don't know if we want a girl or a boy yet.
Probably gonna take all day.
Yeah, this is gonna
Probably
take
have to take
forever.
them all home to decide which one.
Yeah. So let's go pick out our puppy.
How about we go into your bank account?
You got some money?
Yeah, I have no clue. Worked out really good.
Yeah. Oh,
How do you pick
way back now? I don't know. What?
This one is.
Which one is the spoken for
I
one?
want this one.
The darkest
So
one,
dark and red.
dark wall.
Okay.
The 4 dark ones are boys. And
Okay.
I want that one.
there's 4 females in there someplace. And
So this was a.
shit, so they're no good.
Kind of ruins.
Throw it.
It ruins the whole
Reputation,
breed.
yeah.
Yeah. And the whole part of them is the retrievers and the poodles don't have any.
Got home from picking out our puppy. So we did pick it out, and I'm not gonna tell you the name yet. That's gonna be a little bit of a surprise for when we actually get it. But we let Malachi pick out a toy, and then we're probably gonna go out in a little bit and go get it some more stuff. So we'll show you when we do that. We're gonna go to TJ Maxx because they have cheap like harnesses and stuff, and it's gonna grow out of it soon because it's just a puppy, but we want it for when it's a puppy too. And then like a leash, and we'll probably go to PetSmart because we went to Petco. So we'll take you along with us. We're so excited. We get it in how many days?
We get in 12 days.
12 days. So we're super excited, and we can't wait to show you guys.
Okay, it's like they try to get it out, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice
look at
job.
that tiny toy.
Oh, so cute. And a little baby Kong. Aw. Look how cute. Ooh, I love this.
Oh yeah, that's cute. I like that too. Sneakers, looks like a phone. Yeah, that's just like.
Is that a
Oh,
cow?
it's $12.99. It was $12.99.
Aw.
So soft.
That is a giant Kong.
So is that the wobbler? We should get something like that for him to like entertain.
Yeah.
Try to get treats out.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Good idea. These are weird. What leash do you like?
Oh. Right here. It's a nice handle.
This one. That's not a leash.
It's not.
but this one.
Yeah. Still missing that.
$5. I like these. It's very neutral. Gender neutral. Or inclusive. This one's cute too. Because it will need a bigger collar, maybe.
Yeah. Look at these.
That's creepy.
It's like a art project gone like bad.
I don't like it. I don't like these either. You need that. Oh, look at these. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the hood.
That's cute.
Look at this hat.
That's funny. Like this one too.
Yeah.
You are best.
We need to get like, we'll get like more clothes once it's bigger.
Yeah.
Is this a scarf?
It's a neck warmer.
Puffer scarf. Oh, I love this.
Oh, it's so cute. We should get it.
It's so cute. I'm gonna look at this.
Ooh,
Oh my god. That's
Wonderful.
excessive. Hey, drinking buddy. Oh, these are a cool idea. Look. It's like when you go.
Cool too. Catch bowl.
A water bottle?
Cool.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, a water bottle for a dog.
On to the next store. Next stop, Target. Thank you, sir. Okay, harness.
Should probably get a small one for when it's like tiny, then we can get a bigger one
Yeah.
later.
Yeah,
I think that's a good idea.
you can get that one.
$12.99.
Okay, let's get that one.
Sorry, I didn't realize.
So we're gonna order some on Amazon because these ones are more expensive and I don't know, hopefully the quality will be better. We'll update. Oh, look, a fruit scoop. That's an expensive fruit scoop.
Oh, you got it?
Damn, I love this bed. It's so cute.
Yeah, I'm sure. Wish we made it adult size.
Oh, look at that
I
collar.
would climb in that package.
Yeah, I would too. Oh, this one. They got this collar. That kind of looks like the one we have.
Yes, but
All right, and then
yeah, brush.
yeah,
We should get a brush.
that one up there, I think.
Got a brake pad.
What the heck?
It like
Yeah, that one's cool.
super off. Oh,
You can get that.
like,
Yeah.
oh,
Watermelon.
wishbone.
Aw.
That's funny. Oh, we'll get him this. It's a whistle.
Aw.
Little ruffery.
Oh, that's
Ruffery.
cute. I can bring it to the games to watch you
And
coach.
when we have Chinese food, you can have this.
Oh, it's on clearance.
Yeah, it's okay. Onion.
Yeah, edgy veggie.
To teach him to eat his onions.
Edgy
It's
veggie.
not good for you.
No. We got the goods. Target too. So I thought I could show you guys what we ended up buying for the puppy. So here it is. First thing we got is this little piggy. It's super cute. And then we got this puppy Kong. And Zach picked this out, of course.
Oh yeah.
So it's just like a chew thing. Oh. And then Malachi picked out this because he really wanted to pick something out for it. So we thought that was cute. We just got this harness just to train it while it's a puppy. Got that. Then we got this Kong thing that you like put treats in and it has to like work to get them out. So that will keep it entertained while we're gone at work. We have that. We got this super cute like dog vest thing. I'm obsessed. Got this leash. And then this brush. I think that's everything that we got today. So yeah, that's what we got. We got lots of stuff for it so far.